This is for Year 12 methods. It's question number 3 in exercise 2.6. The mass of a radioactive element is modelled by this equation, where m is the mass in grams and t represents time. Okay, so on my calculator I've got m equals log base e, which is ln, the natural logarithm, k, open a second bracket, t plus b, and close both brackets, press execute to make sure that we've actually got it correct. Now my two conditions are, so option given, when t equals 0, options, m equals 10. That's condition number 1. And the second condition that I know is that when t equals 80, the mass has gone to, the mass is 8 grams after 80 years, so it's gone down to 8. That's my second condition. Now if I try and put these logarithms into the simultaneous equation editor, your calculator will go to sleep. So what we do instead is I take this equation and I rearrange it for b and solve for b. Then I take my second equation and I substitute this value that I found for b into this equation. So option given b equals this. Execute. I've now got an expression just in terms of k. So I can now take that expression and solve it for k. And that's my answer for k, which in decimal form is negative 238.06. And I can find b. I know what b is. b is this. Copy, paste, option given, this value for k. And there's my answer for b, negative 92.5. So I know that copy, new line, paste, negative 238.069 t minus 92.51 or 52. So that's the expression that they're asking for in part A. Find the mass remaining after 85 years. Okay, if I take that and I go given t equals 85, execute, in decimal, that's the mass, 7.49, and the half-life of the radioactive element. Well, the mass was 10 initially, so the half-life t will be when m equals 5. Because that's what a half-life means. How long does it take for the initial amount to halve? So find t when m equals 5. So if I go back up to here and I take the equation that we have for m equals, and I put that into a new line, and I make that equal to 5, I need to solve for t. And solve for t, and it should take 91.89 years.